this lecture we are going to look more into the different phases of dApp development. In phase 1, you're usually just writing your code. You can do this in your favorite IDE or just a notepad or editor. You can do this, for example, in Ethereum Studio, or you can download Mix. Then you should have some tests. Maybe you can write unit tests in Mocha. The framework that we're going to introduce, Truffle, makes it easy to write unit tests. And also in Ethereum Studio there is a standard project which has tests already included. Of course, you also should do manual tests. This you can do, for example, in browser Solidity, or you can test your contract on a private chain. Then you're going to verify everything. You're going to make sure that your dApp is working according to your specifications, and you can do this on a testnet without spending Ether. When this is done, you're going to deploy the contract on the live chain. Then you have to link your HTML and JS to the contract address or the contract addresses. And then you deploy your HTML on a server. Let's have a closer look how the communication works. What you want to achieve is that your browser can talk to your contract, but this doesn't work directly. Normally the browser is rendering the HTML and the JS is interpreted in the browser. The JavaScript will try to contact your contract. It can do this by contacting an Ethereum node, for example Geth or CPP Ethereum. The Ethereum node will have access to the blockchain, and this can talk with your contract. Let's look at a contract like an intelligent database with some logic. So what you need for your dApps, you need a browser and a traditional server for your HTML and JavaScript. You need an Ethereum node with an HTTP RPC interface to access the blockchain.